We're gonna try bass. We're not really bass people, but we're gonna give it a shot. And we're gonna fish it just like we'd fish walleye. What else do you expect? Just cruising around and looking for rock. The water here is so clear. It's absolutely fantastic how clear it is for bass fishing and stuff like that, just because you can see everything. This area of Minnesota it's clear water lakes anyways, but you add in zebra mussels and it is crazy how far down we can see. 10 feet and we can see to the bottom, which makes bass fishing a lot of fun. Put the camera on him finally. He's chasing it. Oh, dang it, he saw me. He has a baby one. Holy moly. He nailed it. Got him.
Got him?
He's a baby. He's a baby. Hey, bud. Look at this cute little guy. Caught him right at the boat. What are we at, Matt? So I've got 2. You've got 4?
Yeah.
Mine are pretty small, but they're pretty cute.
Lots more there. Ooh.
What?
Might have been.
Got one. Yeah. Oh, baby. He does. But I'm just saying, if he was catching them all day, then there's no reason, I guess, we couldn't catch them all day now. They're still a long ways from spawning. Oh, got one. A baby. Man, am I catching the giants? Did you turn that on? Oh. See you later. Man, they can swim fast.
Oh, yeah. That is true. Oh, another one. A little bit bigger. Smallie.
Nice job. Were you got a paddle tail on?
Yeah. Bouncing right off the top of the weeds.
Yes. Let me get him in the water. He's pretty. Or she, he or she. It's fun how they can fight. Okay, what the heck do you got on? Oh, that same. Going back to a jig in a minute.
Thanks for all your help.
Do you want me to? Sorry, do you want me to net him? I thought you were just gonna grab him.
Oh.
Nice one. You want to net him? It's a largemouth. It's a biggie. It's pretty decent. Yes. Woohoo! Yeah! I'll take whatever I can. I'm really desperate these last few weeks. Look at that guy. That's a nice fish. He hit it hard too. It's been a while since I've caught a fish like this. Woo! Yeah! I could get used to bass fishing if that's what I catch every time.
Got one. Sunfish. Oh, no. What a rock bass. Oh, smack him off the boat. Just stop the jig. Look at his belly.
Look at the size of that rock bass. We're just driving around. We're gonna try to find a spot where we might be able to find crappie. They're gonna be shallow. They're gonna be really shallow right now. They don't spawn until the temperature's in the 60s. We're at 53. Yeah, I got one on.
Nice.
Woohoo! Crappie.
It's an eater.
Do you want him?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. It's gonna die anyways. That's a good idea. He devoured it. Transition from bass to crappies and we're on the board. Ooh. We're gonna eat good tonight. Just slip bobbers. Pretty basic, but pretty efficient. And why is that? Kicked butt with bass? I got the biggest though.
Yeah, but I let you use my rod.
I know that. I love your rod reel setup. Love it. I don't know. Is that too shallow, you think?
No.
Yep. Got him. Got one. Nah. I got 8. Oh. Wrong species. But whatever, it's fish. I just can't get over how shallow those crappies were. 2 to 3 feet. 2 to 3 feet. That was it.
That was it?
That was it.
That was it?
Water temperatures were 60 degrees though, so that would explain why Main Lake water temperature is 53.
Right now we're
Very
at
cold.
56.
Okay, we're at 56, so warmed up with that 70-degree weather and sun. Thank goodness. This is like the first time in eternity we are not chasing evening walleye. We're out of bait. Kind of hurts a little bit. I'm gonna go load up Matt and we're gonna hit the road home. Me and Matt and I. So Matt and I always take turns with who loads the boat, who backs up the trailer, who's in charge. He got to run the boat today because I get to run it all next weekend when I'm fishing with Anna. So you guys better be tuned for me and Anna doing an all-women's tournament in Woman Lake in Minnesota. It's going to be awesome. I cannot wait. I will see you guys on the next video.